All right, first grade friends, it's Tuesday, November 17th. We're going to do another red word review this Tuesday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Friday, excuse me. Tuesday and Friday will be some more red word review. So grab your whiteboard again, or that piece of paper. We don't need a red word book. Set that red word book off to the side, and we're going to do some review. All right, let's get started. So remember that when we are working with red words, these are words that we have to learn to read and stop and spell read because they're not decodable. They're red words. Some of them will become green words eventually when we learn that vowel pattern, but right now they are red words. Some words will always stay red words as they are not decodable. All right, so hopefully you have your materials. If you've got a red whiteboard marker, that would be even more ideal because remember, these are red words. We want to train our brain that we have to stop and spell read. So here's how our review works this week. It's different than it was last week. I have a sentence here, and I'm going to read you the sentence, and you can even pause the video and read the sentence to yourself. This is another way that we can even work on our reading fluency. Notice that I have a word missing in my sentence, okay? In just a moment, I'm gonna pop up some word choices, some red words, and I'm gonna have you read those red words first, then I will read those red words, then you're going to write the red word that correctly completes the sentence on your board. If you want to pause the video, since we are doing it in the video format, I would encourage you to write that whole sentence and fill in the red word. But for time's sake, what we're going to do today is you just need to write the correct word. All right, so here we go. Here's our sentence. We blank that Fred Fred was fast. Here are your choices. Okay, take the time to read those. The words are said, does, move. So for this first word, just to make sure we're clear, what you're going to do is you're going to try which word is going to complete the sentence. We said that Fred was fast. We does that Fred was fast. We move that Fred was fast. What word makes sense in the sentence? Write that word on your whiteboard. And here it is. We said that Fred was fast. Now, were you able to read the word, answer the word correctly, and spell it correctly? All right, is that a word you got? Let's move on to the next one. Here's our sentence. Blank are 3 dogs. Here's the word choices. Our words are very, there, good. Complete the sentence by putting the answer on your whiteboard. All right, here's the answer. There are 3 dogs. Were you able to read all of these words? These are all words from our sight word lists. And did you get the answer correct? All right, let's move on to the next one. The teacher wants, I have a typo there, I'll need to fix that. Ice cream. The teacher wants ice cream. Okay, here we go. What to again? The teacher wants ice cream. Again is the correct answer. If you were able to read all 3 of these words and pick the correct word and spell it correctly, good for you. Let's move on to the next one. Blank is the school. Notice we have a question mark here. Maybe that will help you solve this one. Okay, let's look at our words. What, where, there. Notice there's a question mark, so make sure you choose carefully. Where is the school? Now, there also makes sense. There is the school, but we need to have a question word. And where is our question word? How did you do reading these three words? And how did you do spelling? Here we go. Let's keep moving on. Sam blank swimming fast. Sam blank swimming fast. Was, oh, Mrs. Bernstein wasn't supposed to tell you that word. Okay, read the three words. Was, has, little. Which word makes sense in the sentence? Sam was swimming fast. Awesome. Now, were you able to read those words? How'd you do on the answer? Excellent. We also have an ing. We briefly touched on adding ing. We have to double the consonant when we have a short vowel sound. Here we go. The rabbits are blank quick. Read those three words. Under, very, jump. The rabbits are blank quick. Let's check. Very. Did you get it right? And were you able to read all three of these words? All right, here's our next one. The contest, we worked on dividing that two-syllable word the other day. The contest has blank winners. Notice that winners has an S. That tells us it's plural. I'm thinking we need a number here. Read those three sight words, three red words. We have 3, pull, down. What word is the correct answer? 3. The contest has 3 winners. Hopefully you got that. Were you able to read all 3 of these words? And did you get the right answer? All right, here we go. I blank finish today. I blank finish today. Here are our choices. Read those words. Here we go. Look out, could. Write on your whiteboard the correct answer. All right, let's check. I could finish today. How'd you do on that one? Were you able to read all 3 of those words and correctly spell the answer? I'm hoping so. All right. No assignment in the Your Turn practice book. Yay! Here's your sight words though. You do need to keep practicing, especially if you struggled with any of those words on the video in the sentences. Make sure you complete the phonemic awareness video in the Google Classroom. Remember, this is building the foundation skills for all of our reading. If we don't have these foundation skills, as we move on, it's going to make our skills that much harder to learn. All right, friends, at any point you needed to go back, want to play the game again, try those words again. I highly encourage it, and make sure you let me know that you finished all of your work in Google Classroom. I'll see you all soon. Bye.